Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today is 30th August and I still haven't finished my TBR, which I picked in the beginning of the month. And I picked 5 books, out of which I have already read 2, but 3 bache hai. I had read another book which wasn't part of the TBR, but I had read it for another video. And also I read couple of audiobooks, but जो actual TBR pick की थी उसमें से barely कुछ पढ़ा है. So I have 3 books to read, out of which I am thinking कि मैं अगर 2 books पढ़ लूँ तो I would consider this as a success, because मैंने 5 पिक किए थे ताकि मैं उसमें से 4 या 3-4 पढ़ लूँ. ठीक है. So these are the books which I haven't read yet. I have to finish them and I started them couple of days ago, but इधर उधर थोड़ा थोड़ा करके मैं पढ़ रही थी. आज मुझे बैठ के ये पूरा ख़त्म करने हैं ये दोनों बुक्स, बिकॉज कल आई डोंट थिंक मुझे टाइम मिलने वाला है. सो आई एम गोइंग टू ट्राई एंड फिनिश दीज टू today. So these are the 2 books. One is Sophie Kinsella's I Owe You One, and this one's Abby Jimenez's The Happy Ever After playlist. So let's talk about the books in the order I actually picked them. So I picked this first. I read around 26 pages and I think उसके blurb से ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये बुक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग और फनी होने वाला है या फिर लाइट होने वाला है, बट बिगिनिंग में थोड़ा मुझे बोर हो रहा था. सो I picked the second one. I want to continue this today, but I hope कि ये मुझे इतना इंटरेस्ट करे कि मैं एक्चुअली इसको ख़त्म करूँ. You know what I mean? Because ये हो रहा है मेरे साथ this month में. I don't know why this is happening with me now. Usually अगर कोई बुक एवरेज भी है, अगर 3 स्टार बुक है, 2 स्टार अगर होगा ना, मतलब मैं I never give a book 2 स्टार, because if it's that bad कि अगर मैं 2 दे रही हूँ तो I might as well not finish it. क्यों मैं अपना टाइम वेस्ट करूँ, बिकॉज मुझे पता है कि आई एम नॉट एंजॉइंग इट. तो आई डोंट. बट 3 स्टार या फिर एवरेज जो भी बुक्स होते हैं ना, तो वो मैं ख़त्म कर सकती हूँ. आई डोंट माइंड दैट. लाइक मैं पढ़ लेती हूँ पूरी. देयर आर माइट बी सम रीजन्स और द प्लॉट और द स्टोरी, वट एवर माइट बी द रीजन्स जिसकी वजह से मैं बुक ख़त्म नहीं कर पाती. वो ठीक जिसके वजह से मैं बुक को 3 स्टार देती हूँ. तो दैट इज़ फाइन, दैट इज़ कम्प्लीटली फाइन. But I used to read those books without any issue. But last 3 months this is what is happening with me कि अगर कोई book मुझे bore कर रही है तो I go in a slump. I don't pick those books up. मेरा पढ़ने का मन ही नहीं करता. I don't know why this is happening. But yeah, तो I hope कि ये ना हो. Actually, I'll talk about this book, like the plot of it later. Of course, you know Abby Jimenez. We all love her. Of course, at this point, सबने एक तो बुक पढ़ा होगा इस ऑथर का, and they know how good her writing is. Her writing has been best, like flawless, since book 1. So we see Sloane and Brandon together in book 1, and something happens, like an accident happens, and during which Brandon passes away, and we are seeing Sloane dealing with the grief. Not grief, because this book is set after 2 years. So she has been through that process. Like this is about her trying to move on from that incident. It's been 2 years, so she's trying that. But we see how difficult it is, because they were about to get married. Like in a couple of days, or rather few days, they were going to get married, and then he passed away. So it's been difficult for her, and that's what we see. Also, the guy in this book, oh my god, he is so sweet. He is the sweet. Abby Jimenez knows how to write good fictional men. Like the way he is, like, I don't know what to say. You know the guys which we see on Bookstagram, like the fictional man. That's what he is. Like he is sweet, he is caring, he is charming, he is good. He is a musician, which she already loves. Like, come on, the destiny. So yes, I'm loving this book, and the writing is so beautiful. जैसे मैंने बोला कि ये जो बुक थी दूसरी वाली, वो मुझे पढ़ने के लिए पूरी मेरा एफर्ट लगाना पड़ रहा था. बट दिस बुक आई लिटरली सैट देयर एंड रेड like 30 pages in a go, which is so yes. Okay, how much I have read? I have read 100 pages of it. I'm gonna continue reading this. Gonna make a coffee. We're gonna sit and read. Also, there's a cute dog in it. Did I tell you that? Yes, there's a cute dog. That's how they meet. Like the dog literally crashes in her life. His dog comes and crashes in her life, and she is taking care of his dog. एंड बिकॉज वो उस कंट्री में नहीं था, मैं इंडिया में बोलने वाली थी बट दिस इज नॉट सेट इन इंडिया. सो वो ही वॉज आउट ऑफ कंट्री and she takes care of his dog because he does not respond and he didn't know that his dog was lost. So for 15 days or so she takes care of him. She gets really attached to him because it was difficult for her to, she's already in grief, and then this dog comes in her life and that's how their communication, like she tries to contact him, that's how their communication starts and they keep chatting, talking, and we see how their chemistry builds. So yes, this is what I'm reading right now. I'm gonna continue reading this. I hope कि मैं ये भी बुक फिनिश करूँ. अगर मैं बैठ के पढ़ लूँ ना लाइक कंटिन्यूसली तो प्रॉब्ली मैं ये बुक खत्म कर सकती हूँ आज. मतलब ऑब्वियसली 100 पेजेस, आई थिंक देर आर लाइक ओके 370 पेजेस. आई था 350 या फिर ऐसा कुछ होगा. लाइक 370 पेजेस है. आई होप कि मैं ये आज खत्म करूँ और दूसरा भी एक बुक खत्म करूँ तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. अगर 5 में से 4 खत्म हो गए तो आई बी वेरी 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 हैप्पी. 3 बार वेरी बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी बट इट्स ओके. We are gonna continue reading this. I read 20 more pages of this book and the way he takes care of Sloane is so sweet. Like, he doesn't mind that she is a mess. He doesn't mind that she has her thing going on. He is so supportive. He's so nice to her. I'm loving it. I just want to see how they are gonna figure out and how it's going to go. I don't want this book to end at all. I just want to see them having a nice life. Like, I want to see their happily ever after. I don't want this book to stop at that point कि उनका हैप्पीली एवर आफ्टर देख के बुक खत्म नहीं. मुझे चाहिए कि मुझे आगे का भी देखना है. आई वॉन्ट टू सी देम हैप्पी, एक्चुअली हैप्पी. Halfway through the book and they're already together. And did I tell you all that he is a musician? Yeah, so he's a musician and he's going to go on a tour, and it was initially for some shorter period of time but उसके बाद वो extend हो गया and he hasn't told her that कि वो एक बहुत longer period के लिए जाने वाला है. I think that's going to be the conflict because और उसमें भी थोड़ा है और issues which I don't want to tell you all. Go read the book. It's good. I'm liking it. And yeah, that's my update. Hey guys, so I finished this book yesterday and around 8:30 p.m. and उसके बाद I could have filmed this last clip but गणपति जा रहे थे, मतलब आ रहे थे. It was very noisy so I could not film. So I thought I'll conclude this video today and and I'll share my thoughts, of course. So what I think about this book. So we already see them together around 150 pages, but उसके बाद they are figuring out okay, how to stay together, because he is a musician, he is constantly on the road for his tour, and she is an artist, so she has to like stay in a one place and paint and do her thing. So it's very difficult for them to stay together at the same time. This book does not follow your usual rom-com formula, that is they meet, then they hit it off and then they have a third act of breakup. ये नहीं होता है इसमें. They have ups and downs, they try, they fail, they try again, they fail. So it's like it's a whole process which makes this book very realistic and relatable कि हाँ एक बार में तो नहीं होगा ना इतना बड़ा issue solve. So it makes sense. I liked it, but it was a bit dragged out in the like last third fourth of the part. So that part I was like अच्छा ठीक है अब next ठीक है समझ गया what they feel for each other, but उनकी situation कैसे sort होगी वो बताओ. So because of that it's not a 6-star book, otherwise it would have been, but it's not. It's a 5-star book. If this book was like a 30 to 40 pages shorter, it would have been a 6-star book for me. But it's 5-star. You just need to read this book. It's good. I think out of all 3 books, this The Friend Zone and Life's Too Short, I think Life's Too Short is my favorite, of course, because I read it first and it just hit me because I didn't expect it to be that good. So that's my top favorite. Uske baad this and then Friend Zone, because Friend Zone was her first book and you can see the difference between the characters, storyline, and like the improvement. You can see it from that book to this book. This one's good. Now talking about the other book, I didn't read it. 8:30 हो गए थे. I didn't start that book because मैंने सिर्फ 20 pages पढ़े थे. अगर मैं उसको जल्दी से पढ़ लेती तो मैं enjoy भी नहीं करती. I wouldn't have been able to do justice to the book. So I didn't read it. We'll read it some other time. Do we call this a success? नहीं. But yes, at the same time, why I'll tell you. अगर मैं ये नहीं करती ये वाला वीडियो तो मैं ये बुक एक दिन में नहीं ख़त्म करती. ये इस मंथ में नहीं ख़त्म होता, नेक्स्ट मंथ पे चला जाता. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी इन अ वे कि मैंने ये बुक ख़त्म की. नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं सिर्फ होपफुल्स रखूँगी, TBR नहीं बनाने वाली, बिकॉज मेरे से TBR कभी ख़त्म नहीं होती है. एंड आई डू माई मूड रीडिंग. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you liked it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and yes, thanks for watching. Bye.